Hello, in this video we'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the cabin filter or the pollen filter on Audi A4 B6. The cabin filter on this car is located in the engine bay compartment, and it's located just at the back, just underneath this plastic cover. So first we need to remove the plastic cover and we'll get to the cabin filter. Now that the plastic cover is removed, we have access to the cabin filter. That's the cabin filter right there. In order to remove it, we need to lift it up, release it from the two clips, and that's the cabin filter right there. Now we take it out and replace it with a new one. Make sure the airflow is indicating down. That's the right way to put the cabin filter. And that's the new cabin filter. I'm going to put it on and assemble everything in the reverse order. And now we're done with replacing the cabin filter. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.